Make sure you're logged into your official Barnard or Columbia email address to receive the full benefits of Google Meet. Click on the Google Apps icon at the top right corner of your screen and hit Calendar. Once in the Calendar application, go to the top left corner of your screen and hit the Create button. Then you can start adding the details of your meeting, such as the name and the people you'd like to invite. To officially create a Google Meet, click on the Location tab and hit Add Conferencing. Now your meeting is created. Click on the down arrow button to see the details of your meeting, which is the meeting ID, the call-in phone number, and access PIN. Save your meeting and send your invitation to your selected guest. You will receive the following message if you've invited someone outside of your network. Your Google Meeting is now saved. Go back to the Google Apps icon and click on Meet. There you will see the meeting that you just created. Click on the scheduled meeting to set your preferred settings. Toggle on the camera and microphone icon to turn your audio and video off or on. There's also an option for you to turn on captions for you and everyone else in your meeting. Check your settings to make sure that your audio and video are working properly. This is a test. If you click on the word test, Google will play a ringtone to make sure that you'll be able to hear whatever your guests are saying. Click on the video tab to check your camera and resolution settings. You are now ready to join your meeting. To do a final check of your audio settings, make a test statement. This is a test. And make sure you see movement on the audio levels on the left of your screen. To record your meeting, click on the three dots in the lower right-hand corner and hit Record Meeting. All of your guests will be informed of the recording before they join the meeting. To view or use the chat box, click on the messaging icon on the top right corner of your screen. If you choose to record your meeting, all of the messages sent and received during the meeting will also be recorded. There's also an option for you to add people to your meeting by using their phone number, as shown on the screen. You will receive multiple notifications once your invited guests join the meeting. To share your screen with your guests, click on the Present Now icon that's located at the bottom right of your screen. You can either choose to share your whole screen or a specific window. Even if one of your guests are joining through a mobile device, they'll still be able to see what you're sharing on your screen. You can choose to stop screen sharing at any moment by clicking on the Stop Presenting button. To end the meeting, click on the End Call button. If you chose to record your meeting, a few minutes after the meeting concludes, you'll receive an email containing the recorded video and text file, as shown on the screen. The files will also automatically be stored in your Google Drive under the Meet Recordings folder, and you will only receive a text file if you use the chat box feature during your recording.